This is my new RedCamp XL Large Duffel Bag, and I'm gonna see if I can fit all of my husband's overnight items inside of this bag for an upcoming camping trip. All right, so I've got his big and tall extra large sleeping bag. That took up over half of the bag. Then I've got his extra large purple pillow. I've got a towel. That definitely fit nicely, and there's still quite a bit of room in here. So let's zip it up. That's a really smooth zipper. We have 3 pockets on the front. Put some soap, deodorant, and some floss picks. Now, this bag says it can hold up to 60 pounds, so let's try it out. Well, it's pretty easy to carry. The handles are really nice and they seem really strong. The seams all seem to be sewn really well. This seems to be a really nice water-resistant, strong material, which I think is definitely important for a camping trip. And when you're done with the bag, look how easy it is to store away. Overall, I think this is gonna be the perfect bag for camping. It's sturdy, well-made, it fits everything, and it looks really nice, so I'm happy I got it.